Hello! Today I will guide you on how to install our new CAN Immobilizer on your Volvo. We will be using a 25T Torx and unlocking tools for this. The kit comes with a device that has A and B cable options, a device box with a light indicator, and a blind plug. There is also documentation with a guide that you can refer to. So to use the device, just connect it to the box or connect the blind plug instead if you want to remove it. You can use this option when you visit the car dealership or in other cases. To start, pull the steering wheel towards you and open it. Remove the decorative panel, then loosen the screws on top of the speedometer. Remove the speedometer's panel and disconnect the plug. Unscrew the other screws and carefully pull out the speedometer to remove it. The device comes with A and B cable options, so you can try both. Let's start with cable A and see if it works. Unplug the cable from the speedometer, connect the device, and plug it. We can see the green lights on now. If it's not working for some reason, try reconnecting it multiple times. Next, start the car and open the app. Connect via Bluetooth and rename the device. Turn it on. You will see dashes instead of kilometers, which means it works well. Insert the cable in a way that you can easily remove it later. To remove the device, open the side panel and replace it with a blind plug. Everything works well now. Don't forget to subscribe and see you later in our new videos.